Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making mixed greens. You will need 3 bags of mixed greens. For this recipe, I'm using 1 pound each of collard greens, turnip greens, and mustard greens. 8 cups of chicken broth, 1 12-ounce package of salt pork, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature. Now add the salt pork and cook for 5 minutes. Add the onions and continue to cook for an additional 2 minutes or until your onion is translucent. Now add your garlic. Pour in the chicken broth, then bring to a light boil. Now add the greens, cover, and allow them to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the vinegar, then season with the salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and onion powder. Mix well, then cover and allow them to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab